I'm Lisa Croston, broker owner of Century 21 ProLink. Let's find out what's new in real estate this week.
Let's talk renovations that will boost your sales price. First, consider these top performing upgrades. A garage door replacement. A new garage door costs around $4,300 and it can add over $15,000 to your home value. That's a 349% return. Upgraded front door for about $2,400, you could see a $5,270 resale value. That's recouping 216%. And a minor kitchen remodel, spending $28,000 might add $32,000 to your home's value, 113% return. These projects not only enhance curb appeal, but they attract more buyers and higher offers. Are you on a tighter budget? Consider these cost-effective ones: fresh paint, LED lighting, or outdoor enhancements. These upgrades can make a significant difference without the hefty price tag. Is there some other renovation that you want done? Before you buy your home, leave us a comment. And if you want more personalized advice, contact a Century 21 ProLink agent to discuss which renovations might enhance your home before you are ready to sell.
Hello everyone, this is JRB here with Property Pros Group, bringing you this week's Century 21 ProLink commercial update from the beautiful Cayman Islands. We're back on our way home, but we are always working. Downtown Partners is excited to bring letters to Santa, so starting on November 1st, Siouxland children are welcome to bring their letters to a special red mailbox at the Art Sex Gallery on 4th Street. The Sioux City traffic study that is going to happen around 4th and Floyd Streets is going to look at 3 possible alternate routes for truck traffic in that area. They'll provide those alternate routes by the beginning of next year. And then finally, longtime South Sioux City Police Lieutenant Steve Hyde was named Sioux City Chief of Police. Tune in next week.
It's time for your C21 Community Update. We're wrapping up October with some spooky fun and gearing up November with a little community spirit. Here's what's happening. All week long, October 27th through the 31st, dare to enter Briar Cliff University's haunted tunnels. If you're brave enough, this is your chance for some thrills and chills. On Thursday, Sunnybrook Suites is hosting a trunk or treat. Bring the kiddos, grab some candy, and enjoy a family-friendly evening full of decorated trunks and plenty of treats. Also on Thursday, test your brain power at the Sioux City Public Library's Teen Trivia Night. Win prizes, hang out with your friends, and take a fun break from your week. Then Friday, October 31st, it's officially Halloween. Whether you're trick-or-treating, passing out candy, or rocking your best costume, have fun, stay safe, and soak up that spooky spirit. Looking ahead to November, it's time for Cranksgiving 2025. This unique bike ride and food drive combines fun, fitness, and giving back. Bring your bike, a bag, and some cash to pick up groceries. You'll ride to local stores, collect food, and donate it to the Siouxland Food Bank to help families in need this holiday season. From haunted tunnels to trunk or treats to your last bike rides of the year, there's something for everyone. So tell us, which events are you planning to check out after watching this video? Drop it in the comments.
Hello, Kelsey Galinsky here with Century 21 ProLink. Are you a parent? Do you have little ones? Are you guys looking for something fun to do this Saturday, November 1st at 6 p.m.? Then I got some good news for you. Join me and a whole crew of Century 21 ProLink's coolest realtors this Saturday, November 1st at Barnes Noble at 6 p.m. for a kids' pajama story time. That's right, you can wear your jammies. If you haven't already guessed it yet, we will be reading a Thanksgiving Blippi book, and Blippi himself will be reading the story to you. Following story time, we will have a quick coloring sesh, and then finally, gift baggies for everyone. So there you have it. Join us Saturday, November 1st at Barnes & Noble at 6 p.m. for an awesome time. And the best part about all of this is a portion of the purchases will go to helping the Unity Point St. Luke's Foundation and the Children's Miracle Network. So come listen to a story, grab a treat, and support a great cause. Hope to see you there.
Thank you for tuning in to our weekly segment. We work hard to be the best.